Okay, so this part I'm going to show you how to use the iPad application to control the AVIP system. As you can see here, I have two screens. One is for the main video, and the second window is for the iPad control. So this is the application control, and first step we just need to make sure and this iPad is connected to the same Wi-Fi with the AVIP system. Then the second step we're going to run the AVIP application. Once we click, and then you will just choose up this IP address, and then the username and password are going to be the same. Admin with a capital letter, and we just click OK. Then you will log in to the country interface. So basically, as you can see, we got the previews. It's just same layouts on the video wall. We can also just clear the contents on the video wall and drag to open the window. This is how we get the windows, and we also can just zoom to make a full screen and make full screen. Also, we can just have like different presets here and to record that. Right, it's actually happening on the video. Okay, and we also can just change to a different full screen. Right, it's a full screen. Also, we can change it as the free. That means we can just open different size of the window on the video wall. So we can just move any of the window to different positions, change the size. Okay. And this one is about the screen test. If we didn't want the screen test, then we just make it off. That's it. Now we didn't got the screen test on the video wall. Okay, so this is the iPad control of the AVIP system. Thank you.